Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Okay, today I'm going to do a bloom. And I have my new can of Glidden Premium, which I really like. So hopefully this bloom will turn out nice. I guess I'll use my Glidden Essentials for swipes probably. It seems to be okay for swipes. All right. Today's colors are pinks and gold. This one is Amsterdam Persian Rose and Arteza Pearl Pink. And that one's going to go down first. Then I have Amsterdam Magenta, some Pearlex mixed in. Pearlex Magenta mixed in. I have some gold, 24 karat gold by DecoArt. I have some, this little piggy Aphidia. I have some Meaden Tulip Pink. I think I might, and it's probably opaque, so I'm going to drizzle a little bit of this on the top. And I'm going to use some green on the top. This is Peridot Green by DecoArt and Brilliant Green by Amsterdam mixed together. All right, I use my black cell activator. Okay, that seems very pretty. See, that turned out so good. No whiteness. I think that Glidden Premium is built different than Essentials or something. I don't know. I tried thickening it up and it still wasn't the greatest. So now I'm happy. I will never use the Essentials again on a bloom, but I'll use it for swipes. Okay. These are pretty colors. think I'll give it a modifying. Whoops. Oops, I did a little dipsy drizzle here. Okay. Ooh. I better be careful. I love these colors. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Hit the bell and you'll be notified when I do a new video. Comment below, let me know what you think. Ask me a question. I'm always glad to answer most of my questions. I try anyway. Let me see if this is moving. Moving a little bit. I have a discount code for the Sheleeart bloom tutorial. And she teaches you how to do the bloom technique. It's for 15% off. There's a code in my description under my video. Okay, I think this is probably pretty good. Well, that gold looks so pretty in there. I want to make sure this isn't moving when I tip it, because it might move as it's drying. It's pretty good. I think one more spin should do it. And your paint consistency should be thinner than your pillow. And my recipes are in the description under the video. Okay, all right, that's it. And I'll put the dried result at the end of the video. Have a good day. Hi, here's my dried tile. Looks really pretty. I love that shiny. It's still wet in the middle, but look at that shiny gold coming through. Oh, I like this one. Thanks for watching.